Hey, welcome back to This Trini Will, and this is another Italy vlog. Don't forget to like the video so that I know you are enjoying the content. And if this is not your first time here, go ahead and subscribe. Why not? Hope you enjoy.
Please, allow me to show you something.
Hello, good evening. So today is Saturday, and we're actually going to Navigli again because I didn't mention any other, well, there's not because, but I didn't mention any other video that Navigli is one of the night spot areas in Milan. As I don't know if you would have seen, but these strips were lined with bars mainly. But anyway, we are going to a place called Maya. It's a Mexican place, and as per usual, there's aperitivo. So there's a buffet with your drink. So that's gonna be our lunch/dinner today. There is a really long line, and we're considering if we want to wait or if we should go to a place that we just saw on the corner. I'm real hungry though because we didn't have lunch, and it's 7 o'clock by now. What's the time?
8.
It's 8 o'clock while I'm real hungry. What you wanna do?
Not on a lot.
My hair looking crazy. Sometimes when I take them videos, I just be looking like if I been running a marathon and stop for some water. What do you got on there? Good evening, good afternoon. Today is Monday, and after a long evening, Bar and I are heading out for some evening aperitivo, which is what they usually do, well, Italians usually do after work. Chill, relax, forget about the stress of the day. Where we going? Bartender or somewhere else?
No, somewhere else. Further down.
Oh, further down. Ooh.
Not as nice.
Oh. We're going somewhere new.
New to the vlog?
Well, I went there before.
Yes.
Where?
Rondo.
What's that?
By the ping pong tables.
I never went Rondo.
No, it's probably the same thing. I don't think about here. I'm next one to get a friend from that one by itself though. And after that, everything else could be up to you as you want.
Up to me.
Yeah. It have.
Maybe not.
You wanna try a sambus?
Sambus, what's that?
The sambusa place.
What's a sambus? Oh, the samosa. The ravioli, I mean. Ah. What's your criminal? That's a palm. Oh, spicy.
Due olhar sambus.
Sambus?
Sim.
Ok.
Good.
Ankara.
Nice and big.
So this is Piazza Spoleto in the area, Nolo, and this is where residents of the community might come out to play a little ping pong, lime, have the drinks. When they buy a bar, they come out here. And usually on a pumping night, it looks like the avenue sometimes. Maybe not the avenue, I don't know. It's a Buonasera, ciao.
Oh yeah.
Can you show me the green pack?
I took a picture. The sign behind me says, eat with your hands. And just a joke. So the first time I came here, this is one of the places that I had pizza and I totally enjoyed it. But when I saw this, I got excited and I thought it was pineapples. So I showed them that I wanted this pizza. I had to probably touch the screen to tell the brightness. However, when I ate it, the texture was soft and fluffy. It's potatoes, but it did taste good. So I like it. Good morning, y'all. So this week's vlog will be combined with another week because yeah, I did not really vlog this week, but we know it does sometimes. But I just came on because I got a little package from MakeUp.it. You'll know if I have a package from here, you'll know what it means. But because I didn't get a lot of things, I didn't bother to do like a haul by itself. But they packaged this, like they tape it up real good. No matter what it is, if it's breakable or not, they are wrapping it. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I think that I'll do a video about it. But now that I started taking the pill for my PCOS, she having not regular periods, so now I have to buy hygiene products way often than I did before, which is why like I never used to do so many Pennywise hauls because I really didn't need to be in Pennywise so much. But anyway, I got again, I don't think that it was bad, so I got it again, the Always Ultra Secure Night number 4. These, I think that they're so cute. I also repurchased the Always Platinum in number 3, and again the packaging is so cute. It has the little palm trees. This was a free gift. I never saw this brand before, but it's discreet and it's just some liners. I got some Dove wipes and it feels good. It's not that you know, it has a material some brands have that it just feels like the dryer sheet paper. No, it actually feels like it's cleaning. And then y'all know your girl, I found a solution, but it was not 100% solution with my dry skin. And doing some more research, I found out about hyaluronic acid, which is supposed to help with hydration. Again, I got it from the Revox brand, so from them I already have the vitamin C and I have the hyaluronic acid. So this is 5% and it says it's a hydrating fluid for face and neck. Hyaluronic acid, HA, is a substance found naturally in our skin. It works by preventing loss of moisture and retaining it in the skin, which helps keep it hydrated and plump throughout the day. Hyaluronic acid contributes to the fresher and smoother appearance of the skin. The serum formula is light and quickly absorbed. This product is especially beneficial for dry skin, which is what I'm suffering with right now. It targets fine lines and wrinkles. It says apply 4 to 5 drops in the morning to cleanse skin and gently massage until absorbed. Wait until it dries before applying the next product. So from the videos I watched, it said that it's a kind of like jelly-like substance, and it does give that look from in this. So let's see how it helps retain moisture in my dry skin. Suffering from dryness right now. So hello people. Today is Sunday and we actually got up and went to the grocery. While we kind of like the Amazon, we still like to go to Lidl, as I mentioned, to get some stuff that you might necessarily get on Amazon, and just to see some things that we want. Also, we didn't do like a full week of groceries last week, so we needed to stock up on some things. Anyway, this is not a this is not a small grocery haul, but I'm gonna try to make it quick. So yeah, got some veggies, so broccoli, as well as the broccoli potato. I know I mentioned to you guys that they have an obsession with potato in Italy, so a lot of the veggies come with potato. So this is broccoli and potato. And honestly, one of the main reasons we wanted to go to Lidl today is because they had like this cheese, which is the closest version to the cheese that we know. Because y'all, I need to understand the cheeses here because there are like so many. But anyway, so we picked up two. Just because of that, we might put one in the freezer. But this is mature cheddar cheese. Every week I would start and I would stop, but until we get there, again, trying to be healthy. So some salad packs, as I intend to eat some salad, and I got this for shredded carrots, egg whites for Barry, and like cheese that if we're making like pasta or something, this is like a mix of cheese, I think. Onto some meats. We found salt fish. So we actually knew that Lidl had saltfish, but the price, we wasn't feeling to pay that price. Like, especially as something we're not going to be having all the time. So the original price was like almost $6, but they had it on sale today for like $4 something. So since it was on sale, we picked this up. If we happen to be making pasta, we got some frozen seafood, and I think this was €1 or €2 each. In terms of other meats, we got some minced beef and some beef chunks. Then I wish I took footage. On Sundays, like they're usually supposed to restock for the week, but when we got there, they did not restock for the week as yet, and the meat shelves were empty in terms of like chicken. So we picked up 2 cooked chickens. So this should last us for the week. And the funny thing is that this cooked chicken is less than buying raw chicken, which I don't understand at all, but here we are. Then we got lactose-free milk, some lactose-free cooking cream, strawberries, that's were on sale, apples, golden apples, that's were on sale. For the longest while, Barry wanted me to try pumpkin gnocchi, although it looks like the Noash they pronounce it gnocchi. Some, like, okay, I love avocados, but I don't like to buy them because I find it so expensive. But these, I buy them when they're on sale. So I got 3 avocados on sale. Gluten-free pasta, cranberries, basmati rice, garlic, some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, lemon juice, sweet potatoes. I also got some celery, some eggs, and garbage bags. Now on to things that we definitely did not need, and this is the reason why we shop on Amazon, or we should shop on Amazon, but we don't mind sometimes we need to spoil it out. Anyway, so Guinness caramel chocolates. Then they also had these marmalades, these Guinness marmalades. So it has sticky onion, smoky, as well as whole grain mustard. So this is just because it was interesting, and we see how it is. And then spring is coming, so we got some packets of flowers to plant. There was also this tangy chutney, and we bought it for someone, but just thinking about it, we probably should have got one for ourselves as well. Okay, some more things that just for snackish purposes, because sometimes you do feel snackish and it's really depressing when you don't have anything because you're trying to eat healthy. But anyway, some shortbread fingers, and this is for Barry because I don't really like shortbread. Some digestives, and again for Barry because although he doesn't like sweets, he really likes fudge. So there was some cocoa and vanilla flavored fudge, so we picked this up. And of course, I cannot leave the grocery without my magazine. I got a magazine, but this is different. They actually apparently have a travel agency, so I guess they have like travel stuff. That is the little grocery haul. The end. Okay, so Barry was just telling me, so like how they had the American week and they just have all them hot dog and pancakes and waffles and syrup. They have, well, they have other cultures. So they have like Chinese, they might have like Mexican, where they have like tacos. But anyway, point of it is that this week was English week. So that's how we got the cheddar cheese, this shortbread, as well as the digestive. So English week at Lidl.
What are you doing?
No!
With this holy spoon.
No!